Hello to my dearest employer. My name is Johnny Sampaguita, 41 years old, residing in Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am college undergraduate in computer secretarial course and having a certificate in housekeeping services and C2. I have 5 years working experience as all-around household worker in nanny here in Philippines and domestic helper in Qatar. My main duties was to take good care of the children, prepare their food, milk, and vitamin. I also bath them, change clothes, teaching them learning activities like reading books, coloring, recognizing shapes, counting numbers, and many more. I also organize their indoor and outdoor activities like singing, dancing, and playing at the park. I also do the household chores like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and maintaining a tidy play area. I work also in housekeeping department in private company here in the Philippines. My main duties was maintaining a tidy and clean safe environment for the guests and employee, cleaning and preparing rooms, collecting linens for laundry, and cleaning the public areas. I am currently working as all-around household worker here in Philippines. I do cleaning, laundry, ironing, gardening, send and pick the children from school. I am dedicated to my work, responsible, trustworthy, and God-fearing person. Mom and sir, if you choose me, I will do my very best and focus on my duties. And if you have children, I will treat them as my own. Once again, thank you very much and God bless.